Okay, so to do a picot stitch, you're just going to chain 3. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Then you're going to go back to that very first chain you made and insert your hook, and then yarn over and you're going to slip stitch. So you're going to pull through that loop and the loop on your hook. And that's going to create kind of a little pointy end, which is your picot. So again, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook in that first chain, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook to finish your slip stitch, and that is your picot. Again, chain 3, insert your hook in the first chain, yarn over, pull through on your hook. And that is the super fast stitch refresher for the Picot. If you need a much slower, in-depth video, check out my Picot stitch video, and thank you for watching.